Sometimes in Rise Up Singing, they've tried to really simplify it to make it accessible, and other times they make it fancy. And I feel like this one is one of those cases where it's not actually that easy to play the way they have it written. So let's just do the very beginning part the way they have that written. So they've got, start with a strum up on D and then a strum down on G. So sometimes in our love we all have pain, we all have sorrow, but if we are wise, we know that there's always tomorrow. So it's kind of fussy for a newcomer, so I might not start trying to do that way as a newcomer. I might play it just the simple way. Let's go there. So starting with that D. Sometimes in our lives we all have pain, we all have sorrow, but if we are wise, we know that there's always tomorrow. Lean on me when you're not strong, and I'll be your friend. I'll help you carry on, for it won't be long till I'm gonna need somebody to Okay, this version is in the key of C, and it's from the Isupa book, which is East Side Ukulele Players Association.